Hey there! Today we have an interesting problem to tackle. The issue at hand involves overlaying all values on top of a box chart, not just the outliers, aligning them with corresponding categories. Quite a puzzle, right? Let's dive into the solution. In the provided solution, we start by calculating the X position for the center of each box within its category and color group. By considering the spacing and box width, we can accurately position the values over the box chart. This calculation ensures a precise alignment between the values and their respective categories and colors. Problem solved. Continuing with the solution, we delve into setting up the box chart with the necessary parameters like box width and unique categories and colors. By overlaying individual points on each box based on the calculated X-axis positions, we bring all the values into the spotlight. This approach guarantees a clear and organized display of data on the box chart, creating a neat visual representation. Voila! To wrap things up, we've successfully tackled the challenge of overlaying values on a box chart with precision and finesse. By following the calculated positioning method, we've achieved a harmonious integration of data points with the existing chart. So next time you need to visualize your data in a clear and concise manner, remember this handy technique. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy coding!